Hey guys, let's learn how to formulate pie chart in Excel. I have some data in my Excel sheet. In column A, I have telecaller names. In column C, I have number of calls done. I would like to formulate pie chart for these two columns, column A and column C. For that, go to Insert. In Insert, you will see Insert pie or Doug nut chart. So click on that. Here you will see various options for pie chart. I would like to have this format, so I am clicking on this. Just drag this chart to some convenient position. After that, go to this area and right click on it. Click on select data. Here, click on add. Give any series name as per your convenience. Let's say I would like to give the series name number of calls done and select the series value, which is the value from column C, and click on OK. Here you see horizontal axis label, and these are 1, 2, 3, and you will see respectively in the chart as well. But I would like to have telecaller names instead of numbers. So for that, click on edit, select telecaller names, just select cell A2 and drag it until cell A12. Click on OK, then again OK, and see you will have a pie chart and you will see the contribution of telecallers irrespective of number of calls done. Here you see other options as well in chart design. Like let's say I would like to have a style 3, and in that you will see the percentage of contribution of their number of calls done of telecallers. And in this way you can formulate the pie chart. Thank you.